Now let's talk about the logical operators. Suppose you have multiple conditions to compare and you want to merge them up. So here we have two binary logical operators such as the and or. If you have two conditions and you want to check like both conditions must be satisfied, only then I want to do some operation. For example, if I'm doing the logging thing, so I want the username and password both must be same in order to do the login. So for that I will go for the AND operator. But if you are okay with any of the condition should be satisfied, then you can go for the OR operator. But if you want to just reverse the condition, that is if you want to make true to false and false to true, we can go for the logical NOT operator, which is a unary logical operator. So let's see practically how can we start working with the logical operators now. Now here in this video, along with the logical operators, we are also implementing the ternary operator. So first of all, let's have a look in the ternary operator. So what I have done here, this question mark and this colon both are comprising the ternary operator. Ternary operator, which means the operator having three operands. So the first operand is the complete condition, which will return you a Boolean value that is either true or false. If the result is true, then the second operand, or if the result is false, then the third operand is returned. So basically in this particular operator, the first operator is evaluated, the first operand is evaluated, and according to that the second or third operand will be returned to this particular variable. So what I'm doing here, I have taken a couple of variables for you, taking the user ID and password, and I have used the prompt box for that. So as soon as user will enter, I will check like whether user ID and password, if both the conditions are true. So as per the AND operator, it will return you a true when both of the conditions are true. So as whenever we do the login, the username and password both must match in order to get a successful login result. So if both are correct, so this AND operator will return you the true, and in that case I will assign welcome in the message. And similarly, if any of these will be incorrect, so this AND operator will return you a false, resulting to which the invalid user string will be assigned to the message variable. So let's run it and see the output. So now it's saying welcome, but if I'll enter anything incorrect, as you were saying earlier as well, so it will say invalid user. So that's what I discussed, like when each of the condition is false, then it will return you a false. Now what if I want to go for the OR operator? So let's change the program to a bit. So in this program what I have done is I am taking a username in this program using the prompt box, and after that I am comparing. Means when you use the OR operator, obviously this single variable cannot have both the values at a time. So surely only one condition is going to return a true while other will return a false, or maybe both conditions will be false. But even if a single condition is returning you a true, this OR operator will just return you that true, and accordingly I will be getting welcome or invalid user. So let's save it and run it. So now what I'll do, I'll enter, it's saying welcome, again I'll refresh, it's saying welcome, but if I'll enter anything apart from that, you see it's invalid user. Alright, so this is what I can do using this OR operator. But if I'll talk about the NOT operator, it is a simple unary operator. Like I assigned this NOT operator right here, so it is going to behave just reverse. So let's see how it's going to behave now. So now when I'll enter, it will say invalid. Apart from that, if I'll enter anything, it's going to say welcome. That's what I said. this not operator will simply return the true to false and false to true. It will simply reverse the result of the condition.